Next, we move on to specification number 10, which asks us to understand that HIV infection may lead to acquired immune deficiency syndrome, or AIDS. In this section, we will study how HIV gradually weakens the immune system and how this can develop into AIDS, the condition in which the body becomes highly vulnerable to infections and certain cancers. As shown in this diagram, HIV attacks and takes over the immune system. HIV compromises the immune system by infecting and destroying key immune cells, mainly helper T cells or CD4 cells, through a continuous replication cycle. Over time, this leads to severe immunodeficiency, which is known as AIDS. The process by which HIV replicates within host cells and weakens the immune system involves several key steps. First is binding and fusion. HIV uses its GP120 proteins to attach to the CD4 receptor and a co-receptor, either CCR5 or CXCR4, on the surface of a host immune cell, such as a helper T cell. The viral envelope then fuses with the cell membrane, allowing the virus's contents to enter the host cell. Next is reverse transcription. Once inside, the viral RNA is converted into viral DNA by the enzyme reverse transcriptase. This step is essential and is a characteristic feature of retroviruses like HIV. Then comes integration. The newly formed viral DNA is transported into the nucleus of the host cell and integrated into the cell's own DNA by the enzyme integrase. At this point, the host cell is permanently infected. Following integration is replication and assembly. The integrated viral DNA, known as a provirus, is used as a template to produce new viral RNA and viral proteins. These components move to the cell surface and assemble into new, immature HIV particles. After this, budding and maturation occur. The immature virus buds from the host cell, and the viral enzyme protease cleaves the new polyproteins, producing mature, infectious viruses capable of infecting other cells. Over time, the immune system declines. The continuous cycle of replication, budding, and release destroys infected host cells, and the number of functional helper T cells drops drastically. This weakens the specific immune response and reduces the body's ability to fight infections. Finally, progression to AIDS happens when the immune system becomes severely compromised. At this stage, the body can no longer defend itself effectively against infections and diseases, marking the development of acquired immunodeficiency syndrome. So, what is acquired immune deficiency syndrome, or AIDS? Once HIV enters the body, it attacks and destroys CD4 T cells, a type of white blood cell that is essential for a healthy immune system. Over many years, as more CD4 cells are destroyed, the immune system becomes progressively weaker and less able to fight off infections. When the immune system is severely damaged and can no longer protect the body from common infections, the condition is called AIDS. AIDS is not a separate disease, rather, it is the final stage of HIV infection when the immune system fails. People with AIDS often succumb to opportunistic infections, which are infections that a healthy immune system could normally resist. These can include diseases such as pneumonia, tuberculosis, or fungal infections.